Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today on Simply Mercy B, I'm making a brown sugar black walnut pound cake. And to top it off, I'm going to make a rich milk glaze with even more black walnuts. You definitely want to stick around for this one. Let's take a look at our ingredients. You're going to start by placing your butter and your shortening into your mixing bowl and mix for 2 minutes. Now mix your 2 sugars together, then add them to the butter mixture and cream them until it's light and fluffy. Now we're ready to add our eggs, and we're going to add those one at a time, beating well after each, and be sure to crack those eggs into a separate bowl to eliminate shells or a bad egg. Now we're going to mix our flour, baking powder, and the salt together. And we're going to add this to our mixture, and we're going to alternate that with our milk. We're going to start with our flour, and we're going to end with our flour. You want to make sure you stop and scrape down your bowl to make sure everything is mixed well. Give your bowl a final scrape down to make sure that mixture is well incorporated. Then add your black walnuts and fold them in. Using a good baking spray, coat your tube pan very well to prevent your cake from sticking. And as you can see, I'm using Baker's Joy. Give your pan a few taps on the countertop to release any air bubbles. Then place it into your oven for 1 hour and 10 minutes. So while our cake is in the oven, we're going to go ahead and make our glaze. We're going to start with some softened butter, some confectioner sugar or powdered sugar, and some evaporated milk. Mix those 3 ingredients together very well, then place it into the microwave for 30 seconds. That's to loosen up everything. Then you get this beautiful mixture. Now add your vanilla and your nuts, and it's ready. We allowed our cake to cool for 10 minutes. Now we're going to take a wooden skewer and we're going to poke holes all around the cake. Take a generous amount of the glaze and spread it all around the cake so that it can seep into the holes. And we're going to let this sit for 10 minutes before we flip it. Now add the remainder of your glaze to the top of the cake. And you want this glaze to set for at least 6 hours so it can crust over. It's been 24 hours, believe it or not, and let's go ahead and cut us a slice. Guys, I want to thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Please take the time to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Oh wow, take a look at that. We are getting ready to get into this cake. But yes, subscribe to my channel. I have so many great recipes to bring to you. When I tell you this cake is moist, it is super moist. And the bold, distinct flavors of the black walnut is so incredible in this pound cake. You absolutely want to try this. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me. And until next time, remember to keep life simple. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.